Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start on an item listing or search result. Open any listing from the seller you're investigating. Once there, focus on the seller name shown near price and shipping details. Click it. If the seller operates a store, you'll see a Shop or Visit Store button under their profile. Click that to reveal the store name. Make sure to note whether the store name differs from the username, because eBay often shows a display store name separate from the account ID. Once on the store page, read the header and banner area where the public store name appears prominently. That is the official storefront display. Next, scroll to About, Business Info, or Policies sections. Sellers often list the legal or brand name there, and you'll understand why it may differ from the username. Also make sure to check contact or return policy details. These confirm store identity. If the store name is absent, the username. To finish, verify the name by cross-checking past listings and buyer feedback for consistent branding. And if you need confirmation, message the seller directly asking for their store name or business details. Once done, save a screenshot of the store header or copy the displayed name to your notes for reference. If the store name doesn't appear or is unclear, check your purchase invoice or save transactions. Those often record the seller display name and solve most identity gaps.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.